Good job, buddy. Okay. Did that feel heavy? Just a second. Did that feel heavy? Okay, this one's gonna be about a third bigger. A third heavier, probably. Let it drop a couple feet away from me, Ryan. You'll feel it. But just keep me safe first, because I have no place to hide. I'm just notching it. Take it all the way up. You ready? Now let it drop a couple feet, about 4 or 5 feet, just so it don't swing back into me. Watch that, baby. Hey Ryan, I'm gonna warn you about something. When it swings down, it gets down near that house, and it swings out like that, and you got a window, let it frickin' fly all the way to the ground. You gotta commit to it. Once it gets so low, you lose control. Once it gets out, if you see that window where it swings out that one time, you don't want too much wrap, but you want enough wrap where it's not too heavy, but you wanna let that sucker fly. If you got that window, you don't wanna hit that window. I'm talking about a different window. Thank you. Go ahead and take that up, Ryan. Rhino. These logs are a little less forgiving than the brush. Take her up. If it doesn't give you enough window, Ryan, just hold it above the house and let it stop dancing. You know what I'm saying? But if you get below the house, you got to commit and let her fly all the way to the ground. Let it drop just a couple feet, not much. Hold it. Yeah, it's probably gonna dance over that house for a minute. Hey, I don't think you got a good window. If you do, you can hit it. Once you get down there low, it'll do it if it hits this window over here. Once it hits over there, but all the way. Lovely. No, just leave it there for a minute. Hey, take that slack out of that rope, would you? It's on that nub. It's on a nub over here. It's hung on something in it. Oh, okay, I see. Heads up. Give me some slack. A little more. Yo. I don't know what it's called. Hey Ryan. This thing's gonna drop a ways. Hey, pull that slack out of there. There's a little slack in there. There we go. It's gonna drop a ways, so you just probably want to kind of hold it tight. Ease her on down, baby. Get her to go fast.